The Vectorworks Nomad app and Web View have been re-engineered and redesigned with Unity's gaming engine, giving you and your clients the power to open large Vectorworks 3D models with complex geometry and interact with them with better performance. You can enjoy a more consistent user interface and feature set regardless of whether you want to view your model on a desktop, mobile, or tablet device. A new Export VGX menu command has been added to Vectorworks with export options for resolution of curved surfaces and clip cube optimization, enabling you to exclude objects outside an active clip cube. The same command to create a VGX file can be found in the Vectorworks desktop application and the web portal through the Generate 3D Model command. The Help panel will get you and your clients up and running quickly. Experience greater navigation control with tools to fly over, pan, walk, elevate, and now teleport. View shadows with added levels of detail and visualize your model in different projections from orthogonal to narrow and wide perspectives. You can dissect your model into greater detail and test out different scenarios with visibility control of your design layers. Also, you can cut through your model as another viewing method with the use of ClipCube. Enjoy the same benefits on your iOS or Android device with the improved Nomad app, displaying your 3D model in matching interface and improved navigation toolset using intuitive finger gestures. Continue to study sun and shade, view complex files, activate the clip cube, and isolate design layers. Dive into your model with AR and make use of the immersive experience by moving your phone or tablet around. Scale your model up and down and use finger gestures to move forward, backward, or elevate. Lastly, you can share your files with clients with a link or QR code. Experience it yourself and design without limits.